In add up dimension, we have two different but important things. One is a canvas size. The canvas, the size of this screen, and the background. These are different. If you click on these numbers here, if you go to the new, as you can see, if you go to the new and at the beginning, you can define in a pixel, you learn it. This is on canvas size. If you click on this canvas size, manually you can change the canvas size. It does not change 3D scene. This is a 3D scene. As you can see, if you can zoom in or out or in 3D scene, but this is the render canvas. This size, as you can see, our 3D does not change in a scale. This isn't changing the scale of the canvas. This number here is rendering when you click on the render scene. As you can see in the render scene, we don't have anything to change the size of the render. The size of the render defined to the canvas. If you click on the canvas in the properties, you can change full HD, HD, or any size for your render in a pixel or in a centimeter or inches. You can define it here. And here you can define the resolution in the pixel or inch. The higher resolution, more quality your output. And here in the canvas, you can define the scene unit in the centimeter, meter, inches, feet, or yards. So here you can change the unit. It's a little bit strange. I prefer to change a unit in a preferences, but it's here. You can turn on or off the grid if you want, or you can change the color of the grid and make it completely black to better see it. So this is on canvas. It's very important, okay? Another thing that is background. If you click on the background, here you can define the background color. You can define the background color from here. And these are for lighting that I'll be explaining later. But if you go to background image here, you can insert any background your image. I will be explaining it when I want to explain the match. But it's very simple. You can click it or click and drag it. As you can see, this is our background that we have to match our image manually, match our 3D object manually. This is the main purpose of the dimensions, or match it automatically. One click, and then click. As you can see, here is the background. Now you can enable or disable it, or you can click it here. You can back to color, or you can change any color here, or back to the image. You can edit it in a Photoshop. You can select your file as a background. It's very important. If you click it, you can select the file as a background to your image. And here you can add it to the CC, Create Cloud Library. And the size, crop to the feed, scale to the feed, or original size. I will be explaining it in a match tool. If you select the background here, it match. If you select any object here, its properties is different here. Select the background, we can the match tool here. Here I explain it image size with difference between the image size and it. Okay, so this is the main difference between the canvas. It's very important. It's here, and the background. You can turn the background off. And as you can see, we have some handle here to change the canvas. If you holding your middle mouse, this is an pan tool for our 3D object. But if you hold space and click and drag, this is for changing this canvas. This isn't the canvas of our render. You can change its size if you click on a canvas. Click on it and, for example, make it smaller in this direction if you want. Nice. You can change the canvas size as your desire. So remember, if you want to change the render output dimensions, you can go here and then select the background settings. Select here the canvas setting. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.